So today is another Saturday, and I need to share this with you so that you can see how you can run with this. Today is another day where I talk about how you can make money in the forex industry without trading. Now, and today I want to share about building communities. You see, in the forex industry, there are different people at different level, still growing, still trying to find their feet, and you already gain this knowledge. You can actually decide to build a community in a particular niche in the industry, maybe on technicals, on psychology, on fundamentals, or you can join them together. It's all up to you how you want to run it actually. Now, one thing you need to understand is that people learn at different pace with their own speed. So what this community will actually do for them is helping them to grow at their pace. People need somebody they can talk to, that they can share with, because people always have wins and people have losses, and for every of their wins, so they don't get overly excited and start blowing accounts. You can guide them what to do and how to go about it. And those that have been having trauma, frustrated on losing their having a losing streaks, you can say how you can help them build up their psychology, and that can help them to grow without any major challenge. And these are some of the things you can do in your community. Of course, it's a paid community. It's all up to you how much you want to charge. It can be monthly, it can be annually. It's up to you. And inside this community, you can build mentorship on different level. You can build one-on-one on different level on different people. Now look at it. Which one can you do? Look at it. These are different avenues you can make money without placing buy and sell in the forex market. You still need an explanation? Send me a DM, chat me up, and I'll be glad to help you out of this. Bye bye.